Jai Srimanarayana. 14th sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Asau maya hatasyatruhu hanishye cha अपरानपि ईश्वरोऽहम् अहं भोगी सिद्धोऽहम् बलवान् सुखी ॐ Do not think that you are Lord of everything. Do not think that you are an independent and powerful. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not think that I am Lord of everything. I shall not think that I am an independent and I am powerful. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om Haraye Namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 322nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the Gopalas, Balarama Krishna, when they were playing, all the cows went all the way into very dense forest. There already so much of fire is going on. And because of that fire, because of that heat, cows started getting thirsty and they all were screaming. Here all the Gopalas, Balarama, Krishna, after they played for a while, they did not see their cows. They were getting kind of worried, started searching for their cows. Then in that process, tat khura, dat chinnaihi, goshpadaihi, ankitaihi, gavam. They did not see cows anywhere. And they started following the cows' footprints and all the indications wherever those cows ate the grass. They followed that, and finally they reached one Munjavanam, one park. There they have seen their cows from a distance. By then Gopalas also got so much of tired. And then what Krishna has done, Jaladhara Gabhiraravamuna Nalinadalakshundo Dammu Namankamulan Bilichina Vini Pratighoshanamuలు చేయుచు Ta Ahuta Bhagavata Megha Gambhiraya Gira Svanamnam Ninadam. When what Krishna has done, he started calling each and every cow with her own name. And when they heard Krishna's beautiful voice, when they heard their own names from Krishna's voice, they again pratineduhu praharshitaha. They started responding back to Krishna with so much of happiness, saying that Amba, Amba. By then, that Davagni, that fire spreaded all over all four sides of them. That fire surrounded them. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 14th sloka. Asau maya hatashatruhu hanishye chaparanapi Ishvaroham aham bhogi siddhoham balavan sukhi. Asau maya hatashatruhu hanishye chaparanapi Ishvaroham aham bhogi siddhoham balavan sukhi. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.